Hi, my name's Shani Collins. I'm a student at Pacific College of Health and Science in the Public Health Education and Promotion Bachelor's Degree program. Today I'll be discussing the leading causes of maternal mortality globally. According to the World Health Organization, women die as a result of complications during and following pregnancy and childbirth. Most of these complications develop during pregnancy, and most are preventable or treatable. Other complications may exist before pregnancy but are worsened during pregnancy, especially if not managed as part of the woman's care. The major complications that account for nearly 75% of all maternal deaths are severe bleeding, mostly bleeding after childbirth, infections, usually after childbirth, high blood pressure during pregnancy, preeclampsia and eclampsia, complications from delivery, and unsafe abortion. The remainder are caused by or associated with infections such as malaria or related to chronic conditions like cardiac diseases or diabetes. The International Journal of Maternal and Child Health and AIDS, IJMA, says that the leading causes of maternal deaths in the United States are hemorrhage, pregnancy-related hypertension, embolism and obstetric infection, maternal deaths due to indirect obstetric causes, including chronic medical conditions such as cardiovascular disease, CVD, diabetes, respiratory disorders, and mental health conditions. They explain that globally, including the United States, 25 to 30% of all maternal deaths are attributed to these indirect causes. The WHO says that about 295,000 women died during and following pregnancy and childbirth in 2017. The vast majority of these deaths, 94%, occurred in low-resource settings, and most could have been prevented. They also explain that sub-Saharan Africa alone accounted for roughly 2/3, 196,000, of maternal deaths, while Southern Asia accounted for nearly 1/5. Another report explains that large racial disparities continue to exist. Non-Hispanic Black women had a 2.5-fold higher maternal mortality rate compared with non-Hispanic white women in 2018. This overview of maternal mortality underscores the need for better surveillance and more accurate identification of maternal deaths, improved clinical care, and expanded public health initiatives to address social determinants of health. IJMA points out that monitoring social inequalities is important in that they represent the impact of underlying social determinants on both indirect and direct causes of maternal mortality. I agree with IJMA on this point. If we, as public health experts, are only paying attention to direct causes of maternal mortality and ignoring the indirect causes, which are extremely impactful when it comes to maternal mortality, then we'll miss out on helping a large percentage of the population that we might otherwise be able to help.